In today's video, I'm going to show you the best method that you can use to upload YouTube videos directly from your phone, okay? So you want to start a YouTube channel in 2025, you don't have a laptop, but you have a phone. It's 100% possible, okay? So first, you want to make sure that you have the YouTube Studio app installed on your phone, okay? I'm not talking about the YouTube app where you normally watch videos. You need to go on Google Store or Play Store and download the YouTube Studio app, which is like the back end of your YouTube channel where you monitor your video analytics and your video performance, okay? So when you are on the YouTube Studio app, click on this plus button up here and select whatever video that you want to upload. So I'm just going to select this 10 minutes video. Okay, so here you are asked to enter the video title, description, and all of these things. Okay, for the purpose of this video, let's just say the title is how to upload YouTube videos from your phone. Okay, so that's the title, how to upload YouTube videos from your phone. Now scroll up and add the description. So for description, I highly recommend that you use as many relevant keywords as possible. Okay, I talked a lot about keywords in my previous videos. Okay, all right, so let's just construct a description, a short description for this video. This video is about the best method YouTube videos from your phone. In 2025. Okay, all right, so this is just a very short description. This video is about the best method to upload YouTube videos from your phone, step-by-step guide on how to upload videos from your phone in 2025. Okay, after the description, click this back arrow sign, and then the next one is visibility. So I talked a little bit about visibility in my previous video, and I said I highly recommend keeping it private for at least 2 to 24 hours before you finally make it public. Okay, so select private, click on this back arrow button. Now this place you have to tell YouTube whether your video is made for kids or not. So if your video has anything to do with kids, if kids appear in the video, of course you have to say yes. But if the video has nothing to do with kids, you go ahead and say no. Okay, age restriction. Do you want to restrict your video to an adult audience? Yes or no? So I've said no. Please do not restrict my video to viewers over 18. Okay, location, go ahead and select your location. I'm going to select Australia, except of course you are targeting a particular location. Okay, playlist, do you have any playlist that you want to add this video to? So as you can see, this is a brand new channel that I'm just using to demonstrate in this video. So there is no playlist on this channel, there is no other video on this channel. So I'll just say done. Okay, shorts, allow video and other people to remix your shorts. I always leave it at allow. Okay, at the first option. Paid promotion and brands, obviously if it's a new channel, I don't really think you would have any paid promotion or brands at the moment. But if by any chance your video contains paid promotion, paid sponsorship, or anything like that, go ahead and say yes. But if not, just select no. Okay, altered content. Do any of the video describe your content? Do any of the following describe your content? Makes a real person appear, to say blah blah blah, whatever. Just select yes or no. So for this video I'm going to say no, because my video does not contain any of these. Okay, no. All right, so for comments, you obviously want to leave it on because you want to see people's comments in your videos, because the more comments on your videos, YouTube will see it as engagement and YouTube will start pushing your videos. Okay, so say yes. All right, so just double check for all of these, and then when you come back up here, you have the option to select a thumbnail. To change the thumbnail, you can either design a custom thumbnail or you can just use whatever thumbnail that YouTube has given to you. Okay, so if you already have a thumbnail that you've designed, which I highly recommend, you can use Canva to design your thumbnail. So when you're done filling up all these details, you go ahead and click on upload. Okay, all right, so the video is uploading on YouTube and you need to give it some time to finish uploading. Okay, all right, so the video is done uploading on YouTube and is now processing. But while the video is processing, you can actually come back here and make some changes before you finally make it public. Okay, so to do that, just click on these three dots. As you can see, the video is still on private. Click on these three dots beside the video, click on edit. Now when you scroll down, you see where it says more options, tags, short remixing, and all of that. So click on more option, and this is where you have to add tags. Tags are really important because they help people to discover your videos. When people search for your videos, if you've used relevant keywords in your tags, your video can actually come up on their search feed. Okay, so you need to add tags. Let's just say YouTube video upload, and for each tag you add, you have to put a comma to separate it. Okay, so when you put a comma, it will allow you to add as many more tags as possible. Okay, which other tag can we use? Let's say how to upload videos on YouTube, comma, you see that? Let's say YouTube 2025 YouTube video upload, comma. Okay, so for me, what I normally do sometimes, I have my tags written down somewhere, so I just go there, copy all of the tags and just paste it here. It saves me a lot of time. Okay, rather than having to type the tags one after the other. Okay, so this part we've already covered, short remixing and paid promotion. Now this is another part that you have to edit, the category. Automatically it will be under people and blogs, but I like to put mine on how to and style, because this video is basically how to upload videos on YouTube. So I've put it on how to and style. Comments is already on. You want to be able to see how many viewers like this video, so I highly recommend ticking that. License and distribution, just leave it at that. Allow embedding and all of that. Okay, so after all of these changes, just click on this back arrow button. Okay, all right, so now that everything is all correct, you can choose to make the video public right away, or you can actually schedule the video. You can schedule it to go live, depending on whatever time you choose to publish your video, especially if you are targeting a particular audience or particular audience from a particular country. You want to be sure that you make the video public when the audience is actually online. Okay, if you want to schedule it, you just click here, choose the date and time. Okay, choose the date and time. So let's say I want to make this video public by 3 a.m. Make sure you choose AM or PM. Okay, so there's AM up there and there's PM. Make sure you select it so that you are sure of when you want the video to go public. Okay, click on OK. All right, and then you save. Okay, so this video is scheduled to go live on 27th of June 2025 by 3 p.m. Okay, now you click on save. Okay, so if you scheduled your video to go live at a particular time, you don't need to log back into YouTube Studio to launch the video or to make the video go live. When that time comes, or when that day and time comes, YouTube will automatically make the video public. Okay, all right guys, so that is it. That is a very simple method on how you can upload YouTube videos directly from your phone. Okay, and if you want to start a YouTube channel in 2025 but you don't know how to create a YouTube channel, be sure to check out this video here. I'll also leave the link in the description box. In that video I showed you a very simple step-by-step method on how you can create a YouTube channel. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.